Bonjour Liam in for Bear, open on demand, browser-based access to Acre. No SSH setup, no key files, no terminal required. Go to ood.aicr.ai, select your institution, authenticate with your university credentials, and you are on the cluster. Files, shell, Jupyter, remote desktop, all from a browser tab. On demand is the zero setup path to Acre. If you have not configured SSH yet or prefer a graphical interface, start here. It does everything a terminal session does, plus file upload, a visual job monitor, and one-click JupyterLab. This video covers the 4 dashboard sections, how to launch interactive applications, and the limits that still apply even in a browser. 4 sections on the dashboard: files, browse, upload, download, edit files directly in the browser, drag from your desktop to upload. Jobs, view active jobs, submit new ones, open job output. Shell, a terminal session in the browser running on a login node. Interactive apps, JupyterLab and a full Linux remote desktop, launched as Slurm jobs on compute nodes. Launching JupyterLab, interactive apps menu, select JupyterLab, specify resources, partition, number of GPUs if needed, memory, time limit, click launch, wait for the job to start, click connect. The notebook session runs as a Slurm job on a compute node. It counts against your fair share. When you close the session, exit it properly so the resources are released. Interactive OOD sessions have specific limits, maximum 4 hours per session. They run only on the devel partitions and the CPU partition, not on the batch partitions. You can have at most 4 concurrent interactive sessions, and that limit is shared with Salok jobs from the terminal. So if you have 3 Salok sessions running in a terminal, you can only start 1 more OOD session. Plan accordingly. The file manager is also how you get your SSH keys. When your account is created, the acre_keys folder appears in your home directory on the cluster. Log into OnDemand, go to Files, Home Directory, find the Acre Keys folder, click the ellipsis and select Download. Unzip the downloaded folder to get the 4 key files needed for terminal SSH access. The file manager also supports drag and drop upload and an in-browser text editor for quick edits. Your turn, paste this into Claude. I want to run a JupyterLab session on Acre using 2 B200 GPUs for model inference. Walk me through the on-demand steps and tell me which partition and resource limits to request. Then check, does Claude say to use the B200 devel partition, not B200 batch, for an interactive OOD session? Does it mention the 4-hour limit? Those 2 details separate a correct answer from a plausible one. Acre on demand, I'm Liam in for Bear.